What's up guys, this is Jay here at Jaymediaone, and today we are back with another product tech review. Today we got this cool little box here, and this is called a Shishibo, and this is supposed to have lots of different earth magnets in it, up to 36 rare earth magnets. They can transform into over 70 different shapes. It's super small. If you look at the description, you can see that online it looks a lot bigger than what it is, but this thing is just super tiny. It just comes in this little box here. Nothing too fancy, and it features over 4 unique artistic patterns of vibrant, mesmerizing artwork. So it's really stylish and neat as well, and it's just a cool little fidget toy. It says right on the back of the box, if you can master the shapeshifter, the cube transforms into 70 shapes, and there's instructions included. It has 9 different designs. Today we have this one, this purplish pinkish blue color here. And it's basically a fidget cube. So we're going to check it out. We're going to take it out of the box, let you guys see it, and see what it can do. So you just pull this flap down here. Nothing too major. Comes out. There's our instruction sheet. This basically just tells us about the cube, what we can do with it, and the different designs that can be created. And it does have all these different shapes that we can see here that can be done. How you open it, how you close it, and different things like that. So it says it can be opened in 2 of its 8 corners. Start at one of these corners by pulling gently like a pistachio, then try to make this shape to get started. So it wants us to try to make this shape here to get started with it. So we're going to try it out. So if you pull on these corners, nothing happens. You got to find the right corners to pull in to get it to come apart. And it's kind of interesting. It's actually very well stuck together. It's not just going to come apart. If I try to tug on it there and there, it definitely isn't. It says you pull here and down here to get it to come apart. Okay, so right here we see if we pull here and here, it starts to unfold. And it goes into that shape, which doesn't look exactly like this shape, but it easily goes into that shape, and then it just starts to fold over. It kind of clicks into place. It's almost like mechanical feeling. If you pull on the side, you can feel it come apart, but there is some super strong magnets in here to where it wants to just kind of flip around and attach to those other magnets. And you can see all the neat little designs inside of there, and you can see some of the patterns here, like these patterns there, match. But then we also have like these different patterns on the outside that you can see here. And then there's this yellow pattern here. But you kind of just flip it around and you can feel it trying to reattach itself, trying to come together into different shapes, which is pretty neat. You can make a whole bunch of different designs with this thing, like that shape, or you can flip it to here and this shape, and it says you can make all these different triangle shapes and things like that, and then put it back into a box. It's definitely a puzzle. It's definitely going to take some time playing with it and getting used to it to get it to go into the shapes that you want it to go into, because just naturally, like that feels natural right there, but it doesn't look right. So you're going to have to play with it, rotate it, and you can kind of see it wanting to match up. But this shape down here doesn't feel right there, so maybe that's got to rotate. And then we can get it back into something like this. That's kind of a cool little design. And then we can flip it again, get it to go there. We almost got something there. We almost got like this cube block here, but then we got this piece sticking out here. So if we rotate it back this way, it kind of wants to stick around. And the magnets kind of feel like they're trying to go into place where they're supposed to be. I don't exactly know where the magnets are on this, but like there you can see that there is no magnet that's trying to hold together there or there. So these ones here, you can feel them. You can see them stick together. You can feel them stick together. They want to attract to each other. So that's probably the correct positioning there. But they're triangles, so there's a lot of different ways that they could be put together. So basically you just got to rotate it, play with it, pull it apart, try to flip it around to get it to be the way that you want it to be. Like we got that one. And that was by pure accident. That one and that one. Which those look pretty cool. So it's just a fun little toy that you can play with. Like I said, there's a lot of different shapes and designs that you can make out of this. And it's just cool. It's just a little puzzle piece to play with, and I think you guys might like it. So if you guys like this video, be sure to subscribe, to share this video. Also, I'm going to be giving away one of these, so you have to like and you have to subscribe to this channel. If you like and subscribe to the channel, then you are automatically entered to win one of these. Other than that, I will have a link in the description below so you can get your own. And we will see you guys for the next tech video. Later, guys.